In this video, we'll see about adding extra bones and Rigify advanced options. Creative Park. Expect the unexpected. Subscribe, hit the notification bell. Log into creativepark.co.in to download the model. In last 3 videos, we saw about generating Rigify rig, rigging eyes, paint weights, and Rigify layers. Link to videos is given below the description. In previous videos, the hair mesh was directly attached to the head bone because we never created any extra bone to control hair mesh. In this scene, let's move the hair mesh from non-deform group to the girl group, which we will bind to the rig. Let's add extra joints and controls to the hair mesh with the existing rig. To do that, select the meter rig. In edit mode from object property panel, click Rigify buttons. In the drop down menu, you can see the list of pre-built bones. With these bones, we can create a custom rig from the scratch, or add extra bone to the existing rig. I highly recommend experimenting all the above options, which are used to create a custom rig with flexible control widgets. Now we'll start adding bones to ponytail. Select Spine's point basic tail from the drop down. Click on Add Sample. You can see Rigify has created 3 armatures. Place the joints exactly in center of the ponytail mesh. Press hotkey E to extract joint to fit the tail mesh. The more number of joints you increase, the hair mesh will deform more flexible. Let's connect the tail joints. First select the tail joint and shift select the face joint. Press Ctrl P to make parent. From the drop down menu, select Keep Offset. Once we are done, in object mode, click Advanced Options. You can see 2 menus, Overwrite and New. New option will completely generate a new rig. Overwrite will regenerate on the existing rig. Now it's time to generate rig. Rigify takes few minutes to generate the rig. You can now see the control widgets. Let's bind the mesh to the rig. You can see the hair mesh deform smoothly along with control widgets. Thank you, see you soon in another video. Subscribe, hit the notification bell.